Hey everyone, it's Chloe from the Beauty School. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of everything in your Cosmetic eyebrow tattoo kit. Let's get into it. Now this is a really big kit, so first up, once you open your kit, the first thing you're going to find is your kit checklist. Make sure to check off every item of your kit. If you have any issues or you're missing something, please refer to the Student Help portal. First up, we've got your barrier film. You've got your 2 different needle types, machine practice skin in pink, microblading plastic skin in beige, final assessment real skin, multiple tool trays, wet wipes, disposable gloves, disposable bibs. This is your PPE for your infection control unit. Do not open this until you have started your infection control unit. Glad wrap, your tattoo machine, your sharps container. Now we're up to everything in your beauty kit, which you can take on the go with you. You can put some of your tools in here. It's a really handy little case for some of your smaller items. Now let's have a look what's inside. First off, we have your disposable microblading tools in 2 different sizes. Then you've got some more disposable tools. Micro tip applicator, soft sponge and mascara wands. Concealer, feather cut razor blades, your mapping string, your brow mapping pencil sharpener, disposable ink cups, your machine grip tape, your brow lamination wrap, eyebrow ruler, ink mixer, alcohol pads, mixing sticks, foaming cleanser, your different pigment inks, brow mapping pencil in white and black, concealer brushes, your measurement tool, another measurement tool, clip cord sleeves, aftercare brow shields. And that's everything in your Cosmetic eyebrow tattoo kit. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do.